Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As you might have guessed, today's video is dedicated to monkeys, specifically monkeys of Kathmandu, Nepal. As per the condition stated by our college, I have selected these monkeys. You can see these monkeys in the bars, these monkeys as my subject, as my concern for the project. And I am discovering the current status of human monkey conflict in the case of urban area and rural area, and I shall be discussing this matter with you today. The visual that you are observing right now is that of Pashupatinath area, and particularly around the Mrigasthali, and you can see these monkeys fighting here. You can see a person feeding a troop of monkey with food stuffs. And the primary case for the conflict in these monkeys and us is for the case of food. And there is a huge battle in between the troops as well. If a person provides foodstuffs to a particular troop, and if an individual from another troop tries to get access to these foods, then there is a huge battle. And you can see bunch of guys trying to take photographs as well. You have a very limited space and you are completely dependent on human beings for foodstuffs and shelter. That's the case of these monkeys here at Pashupati. These monkeys, as you can see, is under tremendous pressure, I believe, because they need to share their habitat, their shelter together with other animal species as well, like dogs and deers and other species. And there is a huge increasing population of monkeys there. And in addition, there are huge number of infants and juvenile and young ones, and they need to feed them properly as well. And with such a limited food supply, yes, there is conflict. And it's the state that we people have created. There is no any kind of good fruit yielding tree, I would say. There is no that kind of trees that these monkeys can try to dependent on, and there is constant fight between different kinds of troops for invading space of another troop, because a troop can only be fed by people, and there is a fight for the food between different kinds of troops, because these monkeys are also social creature. And there is another this big problem, this big issue from human side as well. We constantly like to tease these monkeys. We don't care about providing sustainable food resource to these monkeys. And sometimes people complain about these monkeys trying to snatch and steal their product. What would a monkey do if you constantly tease it? After all, it is a monkey. I was quite shocked, to observe one of the unique behavior there. Just a moment earlier, there were all these monkeys scattered all around the places. But after a while, all these monkeys were found to be gathered in one place. And you can see here a dog is chasing these monkeys. And you can see people come up with their pets here, like this very dog. And this dog try to chase this monkey, try to scare them off, try to bite. And you can see a monkey getting scared, but it might be fun to watch, but it's a conflict between us and them. So there must be a huge concern both from governmental and public side. If we invade their space, we should have the responsibility to manage them as well.